Welcome to a brand new Trains Are Awesome video, coming to you this time from beautiful Ireland. My brother Bear and some of his friends are traveling from the city of Cork up to the capital of the Republic of Ireland, Dublin. We're here back at Cork Kent with Jack. Remember Jack from previous videos, and
Jenna.
Jack and Jenna and Bear, and then there's some others. We're about to take the train to Dublin, so here we go. It's really cold. Thanks for asking. Before we get on any train, let's talk about the railway system in Ireland. All domestic services are operated by Iarnród Éireann, also known as Irish Rail. Broadly speaking, there are 4 service categories: Intercity, connecting most towns and cities across the Republic; Commuter, providing local service in Dublin and a few other cities; and DART, the only electric train service in the country, running on a suburban network around Dublin. There's also the Enterprise, which runs from Dublin to Belfast, the capital of Northern Ireland. Cork Kent Station is served by a commuter network to Cove and Middleton, with its 2 branches each seeing half-hourly service and service every 15 minutes on the shared section. We are traveling in the opposite direction, on an intercity service north to Dublin Heuston Station. These depart about once an hour. We'll be making this 2.5-hour journey on this 22,000 class diesel multiple unit. Here's our train to Dublin. The first of these trains entered service in 2007, and they were built by Hyundai Rotem. Second class is arranged in a 2x2 layout. Seats are reservable, and in the bays of 4, there are these large tables by the windows. Food is available for purchase on board thanks to a trolley service that makes its way through the train. And so we depart. We will make 4 intermediate stops today at Mallow, Limerick Junction, Thurles, and Portlaoise. This trip costs Bear about €22 by booking a month in advance. The cheapest last-minute fares are around €32 from what I can tell. Just look at the beautiful emerald landscapes outside. The distances between stations in the less densely populated parts of Ireland are quite large, so we don't actually pass any stations in the 20 minutes that it takes for us to reach our first stop, Mallow. Now, there's a Thomas the Tank Engine I wish I could unsee. These 22,000 class trains have a top speed of 160 kilometers per hour or 100 miles per hour, but for most of the route, the top speed is 145 kilometers per hour or 90 miles per hour. Did you know that Irish trains do not run on standard gauge? They run on Irish gauge instead, which is a little bit broader at 1600 millimeters wide. That's 5 feet and 3 inches. This is a track gauge that's also used in parts of Australia and Brazil. Our last intermediate stop is Portlaoise. From there, it's another 45 minutes or so until we reach our final destination, Dublin Heuston Station. This is one of several main stations in the island's largest city.
Okay, because that's if everything goes to curfew.
Jack, what'd you think?
Oh, it was great. Beautiful train. Love Ireland.
Anyways, we've barely scratched the surface of rail travel in Ireland, but after editing this video, I'm convinced I want to go myself someday soon. Have you traveled by train in Ireland before? Let us know your experience in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching today. We'll see you next time.